Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying your iPad supports Stage Manager and an external display. Once confirmed, connect the iPad to the monitor with a USB-C/Thunderbolt cable or certified adapter. This provides power and full video bandwidth. Make sure Stage Manager is enabled in settings and close apps that might hog resources. You do this now so the system can allocate windows properly and avoid hiccups when you arrange apps across screens, ensuring smoother transitions between displays. Once done, open the apps you need and place them into Stage Manager's shelf. Drag one app onto another to form groups for quick switching. Then, drag each app window by its handle toward the external monitor until it appears there. This moves that window to the larger screen. Make sure to set the external display as primary if you prefer menus and dialogues to appear there, and adjust resolution and scaling in display settings so content fits cleanly and readable across 16:9 displays. To finish, leave your app groups and window positions. Stage Manager will remember them for next use, making workflow repeatable. Use keyboard shortcuts or the external keyboard to switch groups and snap windows quickly, which speeds up multitasking. If the external monitor fails to appear, try a different cable or adapter, restart the iPad, and confirm the adapter supplies power and supports video. Finally, ensure iPad OS is updated. Following these steps fixes most connection and layout issues so you can get back to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.